Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar, then type settings and click here to open it. Now click on notifications, scroll down, uncheck these two options. Again turn off notifications and close the window. After that, go to search bar, again type settings and click here to open it. Then go to privacy and security, go to general tab and just turn off these 4 options and close the window. Again open settings, go to personalizations, then scroll down, select start tab, turn off these 2 options. Okay, if you go to the folders and turn on these options, to check it, click on start icon. You can see. Then close this window. Again go to search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click here to open it. On this window, click on profile, then go to app settings, turn off and on these app updates. You have to turn off the video autoplay and auto updates. After that, open settings, go to apps tab, then apps and features. Select this option and click on the Microsoft Store only recommended and close this window. Again open settings, click on privacy and security, select speech and you need to turn off this option, that is, again go back and turn off this option from linking and type in personalization. Again go back and click on diagnostics and feedback. You need to turn off this option. In this one, just follow my screen. Now we need to close this window. Then go to search bar and type powercfg.cpl and click here to open it. Now just follow my screen, select never, click on this option, click on apply and then OK. Now save the changes and close this window. Open File Explorer, click on these three dots, click on Options. Now go to View tab and check this option. Again uncheck this one and click on Apply and then OK. After that, right click on Desktop, go to Display Settings, scroll down, select Advanced Display, click on this option. It will open a new window. Then go to Monitor and select this one, click on Apply and save the changes. Again go to search bar and type Settings, go to Privacy and Security, scroll down, go to Locations and turn off this option. Again go back, again scroll down, go to Camera and just turn off this option. Go back, go to Microphone and turn off this one. Now click on Notifications and turn off the notification access. Now click on Context and turn off the access. Just turn off the all access from the privacy and security. You can just follow my screen step by step. Select messaging and turn off the access. Go to radios, turn off this one, again go back, then select app diagnostics. That's it. Now close this window. Now go to search bar and type here Settings, click here to open it, go to Windows Update and check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, go to Advanced Options, then go to Delivery Optimization and you need to turn off this option and close the window. Again go to search bar and type here Microsoft Edge, click here to open it. In the search bar type Chrome download, click here and then click on the first link from the search results. Now click here to download setup file for Chrome and we need to complete the installation process. Once done, you need to set your Google Chrome. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type your settings and click here to open it. Go to apps, then default apps and just scroll down and select Google Chrome. Then we need to set Google Chrome as a default web browser. Now you need to just follow my screen. Okay, that's it. Now close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.